boleh animate lah kita punya spring ni menggunakan animation. Sorry, kita back semula, silap tadi. Kita selection kita silap. Ok, set kedudukan pandangan kita macam ni. Jadi kita select view kat sini, right click, set current ISO. So ini animasi yang kita akan buat untuk tutorial pada kali ini. Dan kita trim, guys. Kita trim. So dia dah fully kat sini ya. Negatif lah. Negatif. Select new and choose template metric and choose standard .ipt and create. Select start to this cache and select XY plane and create a circle, center point circle, the first center point at the origin with diameter 210 mm diameter, and draw another circle here with 160 mm diameter. Then create rectangle at the above here and dimension. This length of rectangle is 300 and symmetry this side by dimension from the center is 150, and then the height is 25 mm and the distance from the origin is 30 mm. Now we can trim this geometry or profile. Okay. Now we finish trim this profile, so finish cache. Then we want to extrude this profile. Okay, the distance, we choose a distance here and we can choose a symmetry here, and the distance is 150. Okay. Now we want create another geometry. So first we need to offset plane. Okay, choose offset from plane. Okay, choose the plane at this surface. Click this surface, and the distance from this plane we offset about 125 mm. Then create a sketch at this plane, right click and use sketch. Okay, we can rotate this view, and then we can hide this plane, right click and untick the visibility here. So draw a rectangle, draw a circle here at the center point, and the diameter is 150. Then draw another circle here at this side, 50 mm diameter, and another at here 50 mm diameter. Then we choose a horizontal constraint. Okay, then constrain this center point to the center point here, and this center point of this circle to the center point of this center point here. And then dimension. Okay, distance from here. Okay, we need to constrain this circle to this side here, and this circle to this side here. So this circle is fully constrained. Now draw a line here. Okay, another line here and at the below here. Then we tangent this line to this circle and this line to this circle. Okay, another this line to this circle and this line to this circle. Also at the below we tangent this line at this circle. Okay, now we can trim our geometry. Go to trim, choose trim, and you can zoom. Okay, then you can delete the left line. Okay, now we finish our geometry, our sketch. So go to finish sketch, and now we want to extrude this geometry, the profile. Okay, change the direction here, direction to above, and then we choose the output here. Look at here, we choose the intersect here. Okay, then you drag this profile or this extruded over to the part below. Okay, then click OK. Okay, we finished our extrusion tool. Now go to the work plane we create before, right click and create a new sketch. Okay, you can rotate here and draw a circle at the center point here, 150 mm diameter, and click finish. Then choose extrude again and change the direction to below. Okay, flip the direction. Then we choose the distance here to next. Okay, so this circle will extrude to the surface, the next surface. Okay, then click OK. Okay, and now we want to create a hole here. Choose hole and choose the type hole is counter bore here. Okay, click at this surface and change the counter bore diameter here to 100, and the distance of counter bore here is 20, and this diameter below is 75. Okay, let me see again. Okay, then this hole is masked through all the part here. Okay, you can just drag it through all, then click OK. Now we want to arrange this hole at the center of this circle. Okay, go to the model browser here and expand the hole here and double click at the sketch for hole here. Okay, and then we want to constrain this whole point to the origin here or the center point of this circle. Okay, choose a coincident constraint, then select this whole point and this center of the circle. Now it will constrain here the finish sketch, right? Then we want to create a hole here by using a sketching technique. Okay, go to circle and you can rotate it. Just 25 radius, diameter 25, sorry, 25 diameter here, and another circle 25 diameter. Then tangent, constrain it to the center point. Okay, it already constrained. Finish sketch. Extrude, we choose this profile, this circle, and cut. Okay, you can click OK. Now we apply the material of this part. We choose stainless steel. Okay, then go to File, Eye Properties here, or you can go to this part at the model browser here, right click and go to Eye Properties here. Okay, choose Physical and update this part. Okay, now we can save this part. We save as shaft support. Okay, save. And then we want to create a 2D drawing. Go to New here and choose Template Metric and go to Drawing and choose ISO and create. First, we want to change the style of this drawing. Select Manage here and Style Editor. Okay, first go to Standard, Default Standard ISO and choose the projection type to third angle. Click Save above here and then go to Dimension here. Choose a default ISO here and we can change the dimension style here. Choose a period. Then we can change the text style here. Let's say I want to change this style. Okay, then save and close. Now we place our view here. Go to Place View and choose Base. Okay, this is our view. Okay, you can click OK. Okay, so this view I want to hidden the line here. Okay, remove the hidden line. So double click at this border of view. Then we untick this style to the base first. Then we can choose the style here to hidden line remove here. Okay, then click OK. Now this isometric view, I want to change this type to shaded. Okay, then I want to change display option here. Tangent edge, I want to remove tangent edge. Then click OK. So it will remove the tangent edge. Okay, now we go to annotate. And first we create a center mark for the hole. Here and go to center line bisector here for this hole. Okay, now we dimension. Okay, one more center mark here. I want to create a center mark here to dimension. Okay, we finish dimension our drawing. So now you can edit the title block here. Okay, go to model browser and find your sheet here. Go to ISO and right click here and edit definition. You can change your name here. Double click it and change your name. Okay, your company. And then the title. Okay, if you finish, you can go to finish sketch and save this edit sketch. Okay, we are complete to our drawing here. So you can save your drawing as a PDF. Go to file and save as, choose save copy as, and this save as type, choose the PDF file. Okay, then you can save. Okay, so we finish our drawing here.